So now let's explore the various background settings that we can work with when we are working with background in Fusion in Davinci Resolve. So here I am in the Fusion view right here, and there's this media out. So to add in a background, I'm just going to go around and click on the background right here, and you can see that the background is here. I don't want the merge right here, so let me just delete this and directly connect out the background to media out. Then this is the output that you have. So by default, the black color is applied right here, and over here you can adjust out the red, green, and blue and alpha channel to change out the background applied onto the media out right here. But apart from that, you can go around and change the type of background from solid color over here as well to, let's say, horizontal like a gradient right here. And then over here, you can see that you can take a color picker right here and then take anything as, let's say, for example, a sample right here as well. Or you can go around and change out the red, green, and blue values right here, and then also change around the color by selecting it out by double clicking it around over here, as you can see. So you can set it as a horizontal background, that is a gradient background, or a vertical gradient background as well, or you can select 4 color gradient background as well. So you can go around over here, select this color over here, and you can go around and select this color over here, and now you have a 4 color gradient right here, just like this, and you can adjust each one of them individually right here. Once that is done, you can go around over here onto the type and then choose gradient as well. So you got more like an interactive gradient, as you can see right here. So this is what you have right here. So if I were to go around onto different type of gradients, then you can see that you can go around and change around the gradient that you have right here. This is the media out and the background, as you can see right here, and this is what the gradient is. You can go around and change around the start position right here. This is the gradient and it is interactive, as you can see right here as well. You can click and drag around to change out the value over here, just like this as well. So this is the gradient that you have, and then you can change around the red, green, and blue values, and you can change around the offset. You can also repeat it. You can use ping pong effect right here and work around with it accordingly, as you can see, just like this. So once you go around, you can go for once, repeat, or ping pong, and you can work around with the detail for the subpixel as well. So you can go around with the linear gradient. You can go for the reflect gradient, as you can see right here. So let me just go around over here and choose once, and for the reflect, you can see that it creates a copy of the gradient right here. Then you can also go around, create a square gradient or a cross gradient right here, just like this, or a radial gradient right here, then angle gradient, as you can see, just like this. And you can click and drag around to change around how they look. So let us go around onto the linear gradient itself. And here what you can do is you can change around the color of each of the points right here. So let me just go around and then go around, change around the points right here, just like this. And this is what you have. So let's just go around, change around the color for this, and you can see that I can add in details for the gradient that we apply as well. So I can go around, click around over here, and add in other color over here, just like this, and work around with the gradient. And if I were to go around over here, click and drag, you can see that I can make adjustments to it. I can also press the delete key to delete out a point in the gradient as well. So this is what you can do. You can apply the color, and what else you can also do is you can apply images right here. So there's the process mode right here, as you can see, and then there's the gamma that you can control out over here as well. But this is not something that we're going to focus upon, but we're going to focus on the color right now. And then you have other settings that you can access over here as well, like you can go around with masking and even motion blur, as you can see, just like this. So this is how you can go around and change around the background settings and apply gradients or flat color according to how you want inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.